Good morning, students. Today's topic is compound interest. You all already studied this topic in class 8. In this class, you got extension of that topic. So, first of all, let me explain you about compound interest. Compound interest is a method in which the principal of every year keeps changing, which doesn't happen in case of simple interest. What happens in compound interest? The amount at the end of first year, it becomes the principal for the second year, which does not happen in case of simple interest. In simple interest, the principal remains same for any number of years, but in compound interest, it keeps changing year by year. The principal, the amount at the end of first year becomes principal for the second year. So let's see how to find compound interest. The formula which we use to find amount in case of compound interest is amount equals to principal within bracket 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. By using this formula, first we will find amount and then we will use this formula CI equals to amount minus principal, and we will come to know the answer. So students, this is the example which I have taken. It's written that Mohan deposited rupees 10,000 at 10% per annum CI for 2 years. Find the CI earned by him. So first of all, we will find amount. Amount equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. This is the formula we use. Now we will substitute the values. Principal, the money which we deposit or we borrow or we lend, that is called principal. So here principal is 10,000 rupees. So we will put 10,000 in place of P. 1 plus r is 10 upon 100 to the power 2. So this is 10,000. 0, 0 you can cancel. Now you have to add 1 and 1 upon 10. So 10 1 ja 10 and 1, 11 upon 10 to the power 2. This is 10,000 within bracket. Now you have to do the square of 11 upon 10. So 11 square will give you 121 and 10 square will give you 100. Now these two zeros you can cancel out. So it is 12100. So your amount is 12,100. Now your job is to find compound interest. So we will apply the formula of CI. CI equals to amount minus principal. Our amount is 12,100 and principal was 10,000. So our answer is 2,100 rupees. So this is our answer. This is the way we find compound interest if principal, rate and time are given. What is the procedure? We will apply the amount formula. We will substitute the respective values of P, R and N, and then we will come to know the amount. Then we will write the formula of CI, that is A minus P, and answer will come 2,100 rupees. Children, now this is the next example which I have taken. In this question you have to find the rate. The principal is given, the amount is given and the time is given. Our job is to find the rate. The question is, Ramesh deposited rupees 1,000 in a bank for 3 years and received 1,331. After 3 years, find the rate. Now again we will go to that formula which I told you in the beginning, that is amount equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Here amount is 1,331, principal is 1,000, 1 plus rate we have to find. So we will leave r as it is and power n is 3. This 1,000 we will bring down here because this is multiplied here. This side it will be divided. 1 plus r upon 100 to the power 3. Okay, now this power 3, when it will come this side, it will become cube root because it is cube given here. So it will be cube root. So this will be cube root of 1331 upon 1000 equals to 1 plus r upon 100. When we will find the cube root, I hope you all must be knowing how to find cube root. So cube root of 1331 will be 11 and 1000 will be 10 equals to 1 plus r upon 100. R upon 100 equals to 11 upon 10 minus 1. This is r upon 100 equals to, we will take 10 LCM, this is 11 minus 10. This will give you r upon 100 equals to 1 upon 10. You will do cross multiplication. Therefore, r equals to 100 upon 10. You will divide it. You will get 10% per annum. So, this is the way you will find rate if it is missing in question. I hope you all must have understood how to find rate. Students, let's take another example in which we have to find the time. Here in this example which I have taken, the time is missing. Question says that Ram deposited rupees 8,000 in a bank and received rupees 9,261 at 5% per annum CI. Find the time. So we will start with the formula of amount. Amount equals to principal 1 plus r upon 100 to the power n. Here amount is 9261, principal is 8,000, 1 plus rate is 5% and time is not given. Our job is to find time, so we will write n as it is. This 8,000 will come down here and will be divided equals to what is left here, 1 plus 5 upon 100 to the power n. We can reduce it, 5 1 is 5, 5 20 the. So what is left here? 1 plus 1 upon 20. And this will be 20 1 is 20 plus 1. That will be 21 upon 20. So it will be 9261 upon 8,000 equals to 21 upon 20 to the power n. Now what you have to do? Now you have to think over that this 9261 is what power of 21 and this 8,000 is what power of 20. So when you will factorize 9261, you will come to know that it is 21's cube and this 8,000 is 20's cube. So we can write it here, 21 upon 20 cube equals to 21 upon 20 to the power n. Now here comes the laws of exponents. Laws of exponents says that if the bases are same, if two exponential numbers are equal and if bases are same, then their powers will be equal. So here, since the bases are same, so the powers will be equal. Now n equals to 3. Therefore, n equals to 3 years. This is the way you find if time is missing. You all must have understood these examples. Now you can very easily solve the assignment which is given to you. You will solve that example and you will submit the assignment. It will be checked when the school will reopen. Thank you so much.